In this video, we're going to talk about expressions with variables. Last time we talked about expressions with numbers, and now we're going to talk about expressions with variables. So what is a variable? A variable is usually just a letter or some other symbol that we use to represent some number or group of numbers that we can input into an expression to make it true. And so, for example, here on my screen, I have an expression here, and then I have the words for that expression down here. So basically, all this expression is saying is that I have 1,000 minus the product, which is the same way as saying multiply. So 10 multiplied with p minus 15 times p minus 15. That's what the exponent means there. So p in this example is our variable. And all that means is I can put numbers in for p to make this expression true. And since this is an expression and not an equation, I can pretty much put in any number that I want. So let me just pick a number. I'm just going to pick 10. So if I say that p equals 10, then I can put 10 in for p and evaluate my expression just like a numerical expression. So I could rewrite my expression as 1,000 minus 10 times, instead of p, I'm now going to write 10 minus 15 squared. And again, I want to apply my rules for order of operations to evaluate this expression. So I'm going to evaluate 10 minus 15, and I get a -5, and I want to square that times 10 minus 1,000. And I can keep going. I can evaluate now my exponent. So -5 times -5 is going to give me 25. -5 times -5 equals 25, in case you're wondering where I got that from, times 10 minus, and then 1,000. I know I read that backwards, but you get it. And then again, I'm going to follow my rules for order of operation. I'm going to do my multiplication next. So, and I'm going to rewrite it over to the side here. 1,000 minus 10 times 25 is 250. And 1,000 minus 250 gives me 750. So I could do that for any number, and you can pick any number you want. You can put in 1, you can put in 2,000, whatever you want to put in for p, you can do that, and you can evaluate it. So that's basically what a variable is all about. I'll come back in my next video and talk about the rest of the screen here with the dollars and D.